Oh. 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 This is my bag of orgasm.
The continue of burping contest.
Round 3.
2. What? 2? No, we round 3. We already had round 3. Remember?
Okay. So yeah, this is our tiebreaker. Now we're gonna finally see who wins. And we're all feeling better now, so.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I hate choking on your own breath.
Feeling my nose too. Ew. It keeps coming back up. Are you done? What? What? It's okay. It's okay. No. Oh, look, that's a tip. How's it feel to be a winner?
Bubbly.
This is called cheating, but I have another one, and Elizabeth doesn't, and I'm gonna win this. Oh, that one was uncalled for. Oh man, I'm gonna win this. You keep munching out on my chips. Even though they're yours. I like die. Oh man.
Well, Chelsea, let's see how you win.
I'm gonna win by cheating. Because there's no more pop, and there's only one more, and
She's gonna attempt to win.
Because I hate it when I lose. So unless I lose. Okay. I think I won right there. And done. Now I gotta drink the rest. Watch me as I devour this Coke Zero.
You can do it! Chug, 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 believe, chug!
Oh.
Ew.
You can do it. You can do it.
I can't do it.
Sure you can. Oh.
Put too much in my mouth.